6 people, including 3 children, were killed after a helicopter carrying a family of tourists crashed into the Hudson River in New York, authorities have said. The family of 5 was from Spain and the 6th person was the pilot, New York City Mayor Eric Adams told reporters on Thursday. All were on board the helicopter at the time of the crash. "Our hearts go out to the families," Adams said. New York Police Commissioner Jessica Tisch said the identities of the victims will not be released until the families are notified. The cause of the crash is under investigation. Video footage of the incident shows the helicopter falling out of the sky upside down and then splashing into the Hudson River. Officials said the helicopter lost control soon after